Hi traders, looking at the daily Dow, and initially at the open I did take got a few pips out of the push into this resistance area, and then once we got the reversal, got some of the pips out of it. Didn't get the whole thing because I was so busy today and preparing for a webinar. I do think we are likely to test. We've got data tomorrow, haven't we? We've got the core price inflation and the weekly jobs. I mean, it's likely that we're going to see 16,800, potentially overshoot it, and then it's a question of whether they continue to drag it down here or whether we do get a lift higher. I mean, let's just stick with the current trend at the moment. That is clearly down, and very neat move off of that fib level. So continue to short until it stops working. Quick look at oil. I do like oil here, but certainly not going to touch it until we get invents out of the way. I've been saying we might get a touch of 46, 45.90 on that retest of that hammer. If that happens, I think that could be a very neat move back to retest 50. So have a look at that after the invents. Pound had a great day. I have to say, I got very little of it, so that is a frustration, but plenty of time. I think the obvious place to get in is 350. That's 125 points underneath this. It's just possible we may see only as little as 400, 415. It looks as if we are going to go into 156. The inflation that's projected tomorrow for the US is negative. If that's the case, we could be looking at a situation where this could lift off, come into resistance. So this is going to form an apex. I hope we don't end up getting trapped in this apex for a while. But if we start breaking 470, 500, then we could be off to the races. Very neat technical chart pattern. Unfortunately, I made an error in the open. I should have flipped it. I really, if you get the wrong side of something and you realize that and you've made a mistake, no reason why you shouldn't make one attempt to correct it. And of course, if you make two mistakes, then you've got to stop trading. But I didn't do that, so that's a lesson. I had a great day. Unfortunately, just not in the room, which is not what it's about. And the euro continues to perform. Really nice base it formed up here, and now we're getting continuation, a nice push into this. So slow grind up here, followed by a cup and handle pull and run into the fibs. Another slow grind, followed by an impulsive move up. So I think the euro is quite tough. I would, if you're interested in the euro, I would look at 114 if we see it, to see if we can project up here. Bigger picture stuff. We look as if let's look at the weekly for a minute. Right, the weekly has actually come in contact with the 50 EMA today. If that's a bearish consolidation, then 115, obviously a big number, we could really start to struggle with. Now, typically in a consolidation, you would see a market drop hard and all the pullbacks get sold into. We've got some distance away from this 50 EMA. We've just spent all this time. Sorry, let me just shrink this and drag that over. So we did have we have come into this, what's that, back in late July, August it must have been. This is a weekly chart. So this is going to be key. We're above 114.40 now, this key level here. Just a question of whether we sustain that in the back end of this week, and a negative inflation figure, if those projections are right, this could really see the Euro-US trade up. So stick with the trend. The trend in this one is up. At the moment, the yen is not letting go. And yeah, we're in this little sort of flag-like pattern here. We've not closed above yesterday's, not engulfed yesterday's action. So all the time we're sitting inside this range could mean the pound yen can go either way. Okay, that's my view on those charts. I do hope that helps. I will not be in the room tomorrow morning. Got to go to a meeting tomorrow morning. I did post that in the room. I hope you all got that message. Look forward to seeing you later in the day.